So hi guys, it's me Techno Coding and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a new topic called loop. Loop is a very famous topic. Very experienced programmers also write it because loop it saves times and energy. Now what is loop? So loop is like a circle which rotates until a certain condition is met, like this loop. Example, if I say loop until rotations are less than 11, so it will stop at 10. I program the washing machine to stop at less than 11 rotations, so it will stop at 10 rotations. Now, if we talk about how to write a loop, then we should know some things, like there are two main types of loops. There are two types of loops, the do loop and the for loop. So we will know about the do loop first. So let's dive into the coding part. So yes guys, in this coding part we will talk about loop, the do loop. So the do loop is a loop which runs only once to check a program if the condition will come true or not. So I will open a file. There I have written a do loop program. I will show you. So yes, it is a do loop program. Now here's the thing to see. Now I have written CLS means clear screen. I have written b equals to 0, so it means the first value of b will be 0. Now I have said input a from the user. Now it means I will input a variable a from the user. Do while b is smaller than 10. So it means I will let the loop run while the b's result will come smaller than 10, so it will stop at 9. It means that the loop will stop when the result is less than 9. Now I have said b equals to b plus 1, so it will do now every time the loop will rotate, the b value will turn up. So it means every time the loop will rotate, the in the b's value 1 will get added. So if the first value is 0, then the loop just rotated, so 0 plus 1 will be 1, then the loop rotated again, 1 plus 1 will be 2, then the loop will rotate again, so 1 plus 1 will become 3. So it will happen till the result is 9, because I have just written stop at 9. So it will print, and every time the loop will rotate, it will print a times b. So I have just done a simple multiplication program. It will the user will input the number in which we want to see the multiplication, and it will show the multiples of it till 10. Now I have said print a times b, so it means that the number that user inputted, it will be multiplied by b every time when the loop will rotate. So the b's value will get added to 1 every time, and it will be then multiplied by a. So if the user just input 2, then it will rotate as 2 times b equals to 1, because first value will be 1. Then the next loop rotate, it will become 2 times 2, because b's value will become 2 and the result will be 4, and then it will become 2 times 3, then 2 times 4, and every time the output will be just printed. And in last I have written loop it, because if we do not write loop, it will become an error, so we have to write loop in the end. Now if I just run the program, it will show and question mark, so it is asking me what number will you input. So I will input 2 and then hit enter, so it will show me the results of the 2 stable till 10. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and till 10. 2 times 10 equals to 20. And now if I run it as 5, so it will show me of 5, and it will show me of any number. So if I write 56, it will show me till 560. So it is about the do loop. Now if we talk about the next loop called the for next loop, so it is not a very what I say, it is not a very different program. It is just like the do loop, but only some changes are there. So I will open it. So here comes the for next loop. Now it is a very small program because the for next loop has some advancements, like it is normal input a for I equals to 1 to 10. So I have said loop I 1 to 10. So the I will loop from 1 to 10, and then I have said print a times I. So it will loop from 1 to 10, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and it will multiply a every time it loops. So the user will input any number and it will multiply, and it will be multiplied to I every time it loops. Then I have said next I means end till 10. Now if I just run the program, and it will work like same. So I inputted 6 and it will show me till 60. 6 times 10 is equals to 60. And now if I input 2, and it will show me 20. So these are same programs. Now if I talk about what is the difference between those two programs, so the difference is very simple. This difference is the do while loop is the statement which runs at least once to check if the condition is true. So it will run only once to, so it will run at least once to check if the condition is true, and the for loop will run until the condition is true. So for loop will run at any condition, while it will run until the condition is true, and do loop will run at least once to check if the condition is true. If the condition will not be true, then it will show us error. So this was the difference between the two programs. So today we have learnt about two programs, the do loop and the for next loop. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to practice the programs those I have shown. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.